Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel, Make Money with Video. Now usually I share videos of how to make money like with videos, like using different softwares, different apps and upload them to different like social medias. But today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to show you how to make money selling books on Amazon. Now the reason why I'm showing this is because it's an extra form of income, guys. So if you're interested in this, stay tuned. Now, the book first of all, this is like the sales. Like here, got 7 sales. I only just started my channel, yeah, very new. So back in May, I started my channel. I've got 7 sales there, 1 there, 2 there, 9 there, 1 there, a couple of ones all over here, and then 7 here, guys. But it's mainly these what is what I want to show you guys. Well, this one and these, yeah. And the book we're talking about is this one, the Euro 2021 activity book. Now, as you can see, all these are like different prices. I put mine to $4.94, guys. And the reason why I did that is because I wasn't expecting to make any money. I uploaded it about a week and a half before the Euro 2021 started, guys. Now it takes a while for Amazon to index it and to start like showing it off, basically. But as you can see, yeah, I've typed in 2021 coloring book, and it's got to the 4th one on Amazon, already on the first page of Amazon, yeah, guys. That's because it's selling. Now, what I did to create this, I will show you in a minute, guys. But once I've created it, I then also came over to Etsy and like shared it on here, guys. Yeah, but I made it on here where it's just a digital download, and I put this on for £3. Yeah, so these are some of the stuff what's inside the book. Yeah, so then what I do, guys, I then come over to Pinterest and look. This is, if they click on this, then it takes you to the actual book. Yeah, and let's go back to Etsy. I made this video using create video, yeah, video creator, sorry, yeah, and it just lets people see what's inside the book. Now I will leave the link to this video creation app in the description. I'll also leave a link to the book if you want to buy it. Hint, hint. Only joking, guys. But yeah, I made this video and I shared this video over onto YouTube, yeah, and on my Facebook page, and I shared it with my friends and family. And then they shared it, and then I started to get sales, guys. But how I made this book is I came over to a place called Creative Fabrica. Yeah, now, you might have heard it, you might see it on Facebook, and it's lots of different fonts and graphics and everything like that, guys. So if we just type in, I think it's an American site, but we'll type in football anyway. Ball coloring, yeah. Now, I spelt coloring the American way. I didn't know how to spell. I'm just saying. Yeah. So this is what I did, guys. I came over here and like things like this. Yeah, it's called football coloring book interior. You click on it like that, guys, and you can download it. Now, if you're new here, yeah, then you'll have to pay for these individually. It shows you all the different stuff you can get with it. And it tells you if you can use it. So commercial use allowed, which means you're allowed to sell it. Now let me just come over to this one. Yeah. Now if you look, there's different prices for it. So it's $12 for 3 months, yeah, guys, and you get these for basically, yeah, you get commercial license and that. This is the better one, guys. It's the all access, the more popular one. $29 a month, and you get everything. So basically, everything you see on the I'm trying to find the yeah, everything you see on here, you can download for free. If you've got a subscription, you can download for free. So you can download as many as you want, right? As many times a day as you want. And that's what the beauty about this is. So you can search for your football stuff. You can download them for free. But if you didn't have that, then you would have to pay for every individual thing you download. You would have to pay for. Now, sometimes it's quite cheap. Sometimes you might get some free stuff. Yeah, like on here, like freebies and stuff like that. Your fonts and SVG graphics and yeah. But I will leave the link to this in the, and you can get fonts if you want, graphics if you want. So it's 19 for graphics, or you can just get everything. Yeah. Oh, that's for crafts. Sorry, crafts, fonts, and graphics. Or you can just get every single thing for $29 a month. You get it all. Yeah. Download as many times as you want. Create as many books as you want, guys. And let's get back to this page. Yeah. So you can create all sorts of different books. Now, I made a Euro 2021 activity book, yeah, using things or stuff there. Then what you do, you download it, yeah, and I come on to Canva. I'll leave the link in the description. And I just created a few pages, yeah, put some copyright stuff on, made it myself, made all this myself, yeah, and then just make some pages up. And then you get all the colouring stuff, yeah. And I just that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. You put in your size of what size page you want to use. Yeah. For instance, this one, I made the pages 8.5 times 11 inches. Yeah. I made 120 pages, and I just uploaded it, guys. That's it. And like I show here, I'm making money, and that is how easy. Now, I know this is a different sort of video that I usually make, but if you want to see more like this and you want to see me actually making the book, like step by step, then let me know in the description, guys, because I enjoy making these books. I've made quite a few already, and I plan on making a lot more, guys. Don't forget, you've got like Halloween coming up, yeah? Well, in the coming months, but if you get it up and running now, up and like on the over onto Amazon, you can start making money already, guys, just like me. I've uploaded Christmas books, yeah, and I'm making money off that. I make all these different videos. I make these kind of videos on all my different on all the different things I upload, guys. Let me just have a look. Look, I've got like Around the World with Santa. I've got the Christmas activity book, yeah. Let me just go back to the shop. Yeah, so I've got the activity book, I've got the Santa book, I've got memories, I've got Christmas books, yeah, comic books, activity books, superheroes, and things like that, guys. And that is all made with content from Creative Fabrica. Yeah, it's a great site. I will leave the link in the description, guys, and you can come over here and you can create all sorts. You can create your like your images for your Facebook page, your Instagram, your TikTok and stuff like that. No, not TikTok, sorry, your Pinterest and stuff like that, guys. You can do all sorts, fonts, crafts, graphics, and stuff for free, guys. It is a good thing to have. Now, like I said, this is different for what I normally make. So if you want to know more, let us know. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, please, guys. And until next time, I'm J Roberts. This is Make Money with Video. And today's video was how to make money selling books on Amazon. Till next time, guys. Thanks very much. Goodbye.